May saw the first interest rate rise that we've seen for probably a number of years. Interest rates have been at historical lows of 0.1%, and there was now a 0.25% interest rate rise, which is going to lead to further rate rises in the coming months. Today we've got Andrew Rowan here with us to explain the impact that this might have on markets. So Andrew, can you explain a bit to us what rising interest rates mean to the share market and the housing property prices?
Okay, well, I'll address housing first because that does seem to be a topic that people want to know about. And the short answer is that rising interest rates will have pretty much an immediate effect on property markets. Now, the increase was only 0.25%, which is not a lot, but the media have been talking about this for a long time now, and it's starting to feed into the minds of buyers. When interest rates rise, obviously buyers will be concerned about the future, so they'll stand back from the market. Already what we're seeing in the market are a number of properties. We've been tracking property prices in Ballarat since about November, and we're starting to see a number of properties in excess of 20% having to mark down their listing price in order to gain some interest. So short answer is yes, and I think that there'll be a little bit more to come.
Safe to say that we've probably seen the end of the boom and the crazy prices, and prices are coming back a bit to a more normal level.
Yeah, most definitely. Those crazy times are now over, and I would say some sensibility starts to come back to the market. Property prices, will start to probably ebb down a little bit. I don't think there'll be massive price reductions, but certainly for buyers now is a better time than it was 12 months ago.
Yeah, that's the other flip side to it, is a lot of buyers have got the time and can afford to be patient now and not go out and know that they have to buy now, or they're not experiencing that fear of missing out if they don't just throw out a crazy price because there's 3 buyers for every house. It's back to a more normal market. So
yeah, and there's a lot more properties coming into the market too. So that's another reason why buyers have got a lot more choice. Don't need to rush.
Thanks, Andrew.